Hey y'all, so I just made me another health juice. Okay, a health juice. This has two green apples in it, two kiwis in it, a tablespoon of sugar in it, and the super greens. So I mixed that with some water, then pour that in here, and that was my liquid base. I blended, and I also strained it so I could get all the pulp out because I wanted more of the juice than the pulp. And I got this green green apple kiwi health juice. Green apple kiwi health juice. It's really good too. And all I used was a tablespoon of sugar because the apple and the kiwi wasn't that sweet to me, so I need a little bit of sweetness in it. But yeah, other than that, it's actually pretty good. I'm still sick. I'm still coughing. The Robitussin I took last night made my stomach hurt and my chest hurt, so I'm not taking that again. I did take some Dayquil. That kind of helped a little bit. So the only thing I have now that helped with the cough was the Dayquil. But Monday I am gonna get up and go get a COVID test. But for right now, I'm just gonna make me a little health juice, something healthy to drink on. So yeah, homemade fruit juice.